Hi. I started assembling the apron. I thought we just have a quick look at clutches for the longitudinal and cross-feed drive. It's a quite nice design. We looked at it a bit before. So here is the spring pins which keeps the clutch separated, and the face tooth gear which gives the positive engagement, and it's in very good shape. And I just wanted to show you the actuator for it, as it's a very simple and functional device. It's been operating since 1975 and is still good to go. And it looks like this. So this is the one mounted on the front face of the apron, and we push it up like this, and then it pushes out this plunge, which then acts on the intermediate bearing and pushes the face tooth gear clutch together. And this device is very simple. It comes apart like this. I should have rigged the camera so I could work with at least with my right arm. Oh, anyway. So this is really it. It's a cylindrical bolt turned down halfway. So this one is acting on the bolt in the bottom there. You can see the wear marks in there. And the wear bolt is also the depth adjustment bolt for the clutch engagement. So when the lever is sitting like this, straight down, it is not engaged, and when you push it up like this, it's forced to go forward. And in that position, it is resting neutral on this. Very simple, very functional. Hi, I'm starting to get the apron finished, and I thought I'd give you another peek of the hand wheel longitudinal and the built-in planetary gear, or what to call it, the gearing. So this is the final gear stage that shows us the right values on the scale ring. This is just some little dirt. I haven't cleaned it up finally yet. I just put it together to show a bit. And yeah, they all looks very nice. I think they had some brown finish from the start, so. And there is no excessive wear hardly anywhere in the bearings or anything, and that has been a nice surprise in all these bearings. I have to compliment them of making good choices of material and fits and finishes, and selection of interfacing materials. It's a lot of these integrated cast iron bearings and hardened shafts, and in some cases also hardened bushings and bearings, or hardened gear surfaces. So now I need to finish up the rest and assemble it to the lathe.